How to save a document on PowerPoint to your Google Drive account easily and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to PowerPoint. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now choose the document that you want to save or create one. Click like this. Now this is the document that I want to save, for example. All what you have to do is simple. Go to the top, click on those three dots, and now scroll down, click on save as option. Now here you will find the browse option, click on it and you can choose then the Google Drive option easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.